Hello dear kids, welcome back to my channel and today we will do our letter craft. So I am resuming my videos about the crafts for all the letters and related to its vocabulary. So let's begin. So in today's video we will be doing letter capital N and small n, that is uppercase N and lowercase n, and we will do two different vocabularies related to it. So for this activity we will need these kind of materials I am showing to you. Now let's begin with the activity. First you have to take the stripes and apply glue on it and paste it on the white paper. So for capital N we will paste first standing line, then slanting line, then again standing line. Now with the help of these stripes, brown stripes, we will paste it at the bottom of our capital N. Now take these egg cutouts, apply some glue and paste it on the brown stripe we have pasted earlier. Now hide these eggs from some of the stripes so it will look like nest. Now we have to paste a beak and one eye. So you have to paste beak here and eyeball here. Now with the help of marker you can make a black circle, and here our bird is ready. This is capital N. Now let's begin with the small n craft. So for this I am taking the sheets and this semicircle shape cutout, one stripe and one U shape cutout, one cutout like this, and two circle shape cutout in white color and two cutout in red color, and one cutout like this in grey color, two cutout of hand shaped. Now let's begin for small n. Apply some glue and paste the standing line here. Now apply some glue on U-shaped cutout and paste it like this. So our small n is ready now. And now apply some glue on the semicircle shaped cutout, and now we will paste the grey cutout. Now we will paste the hand shaped cutout at the bottom of our small n. So all the cutout you have to paste like this as shown in the video. And now take the white cutout, apply some glue and paste it on the top of black or grey cutout. Now paste the red cutout in plus sign and paste white circles like this. Now make the eyeballs with the help of marker or sketch pen and one big smile. So here is our letter N craft ready now. So this is capital N and small n. Kids, stay tuned for my next video. Please like, share and subscribe.